Okay, finding the MLA citation for the sources that I've given you, sources A, B, C, D, E, and F, it's going to be really easy because I've already done source A. So we're just looking at B, C, D, and E right now. So you need to Google Alabama Virtual Library, click on Alabama Virtual. Then you'll also click on View All Resources and scroll down to EBSCOhost Search, and then put in the search terms that I told you to do for each one of the different sources. So one of them was China food propaganda, and I hit search, and here it is. When I select it, it opens, and over on the right is the Cite button. I click Cite, and then I look at all the citation formats, and I scroll down until I find MLA, Modern Language Association, and I'm going to highlight the whole citation, Control C, copy, and then I'm going to go to a new document. New Google Doc. Where did it go? New Google Doc. Okay, and now instead of just pasting, because when you paste, it looks like this with all the highlight that was on the original document. So I'm going to undo that, and instead I'm going to paste this way without formatting. If you're using your keyboard, it's Control and Shift and then V. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Now it's not formatted properly, and you also have your 3 paragraphs below on main argument and summary in the first paragraph, then credibility and objectivity in the second paragraph, and then relevance and how you'll use it in the third paragraph. So to go back to the first element, I'm going to highlight just this part, and I want to change the way that it lines up on the left. All the others are going to line up like normal paragraphs, but this is a hanging indent and it's reversed. So I grab the arrow and move the little arrow over to the half-inch mark. That shows what all the lines of a paragraph will do. And the top bar here shows what the first line of the paragraph will do. So I'm bringing it back over. So it looks like a reverse paragraph. It's called a hanging indent. Then I'm going to click off, and I'll highlight my whole paper with Control A. That highlights everything you have in your whole paper. You're going to go to Times New Roman 12, and you're going to go to your spacing is double. So this should include the paragraphs you've already written as well. Now, I know that I need to go back in my listing and change 2 parts, the parts that had italics on them. So I did USA Today, and now I'm going to do host. That was the other part that was italicized. I also want to make this a live link, so I'm going to copy it, Control C, or here, copy. Then I'll click the link, and I'll paste its own link back in it and apply. That way my link is live, and my teacher can click it and go straight to the article if she's at school. Okay, that's all.